Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris Gibson and I am so excited you stopped by and checked out my channel today. You know, as a longtime skincare and lifestyle expert, I wanted to create a place where I could share great tips for you and how-to videos, especially for those of us who think that fitness and food and skincare are like crazy fun. You know, where we could come together and learn great ways to create the healthy lifestyle we all really want. New videos go up every Tuesday and Friday on everything from how to solve frustrating skincare questions to how to make healthy eating not boring and delicious and how to stay fit. Go check out the channel playlist for product reviews, skincare tutorials, fun recipes, and these really awesome, great expert guests. Everything you need to know is in the About section of the channel, so go explore, check out those playlists, find something you like, and if you like what you see, please, by all means, thank you for subscribing. Bye guys.